Hi, this is Neville Douglas from Shanty Village Property Letting. It's the 11th of August 2020. I'm going into this company here called City Plumbing Limited. They're based in Stoke-on-Trent. I'm just going to nip in and have a look at their panels. I'm going to have my mask on, so it might be a little bit muffled. If it is, I'll just do a voiceover, or if you've got any questions or anything like that, then by all means, give me a shout, and I'll see if I can answer all and any questions. So, yeah, I'm just going to wander into the shop and I'll speak to you in 2 moments.
We haven't used more panels, so what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to talk much on it, I'll just wait when I get home, because probably won't be able to hear me talking to this now. So I'm just going to video the wall panels, and then I'm going to remain over them when I get back. Oh, what I'll do, I'll do both ways. Practice way, so the silent room, and then the whole room. Stand back, you can't really see anything like that. So over here we have a wall panel again. This is more like you can see like a tile effect. Another wall panel effect. Soapy water, so regular cleaning, the regular interval is going to keep this in a really good condition. So if you feel that you need to be scrubbing it, then probably you're not cleaning it on a regular basis. So that's it.